Introducing a new way to manage your Chrome extensions. You'll often find that certain extensions make your browser experience slow. Or sometimes you'll find that your favorite extensions don't always have your best interest at heart. With just one click of this new icon, Chrome Extension Manager by cloudHQ displays a drop-down menu listing all your Chrome extensions in your account. Now you can easily view and stay aware of every extension that's installed on your browser. Protect yourself from malware by being able to quickly view all your Chrome extensions currently installed and then quickly disable unneeded extensions. You can organize your extensions into groups and you can easily enable and disable them with the click of a button. So my shopping extensions remain disabled until I'm shopping for something and need a coupon. Declutter your Chrome extensions while managing them with ease. Now you'll be able to ensure that your browser experience is fast and pleasant. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.